Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Smart English Official channel, where learning English is simple and enjoyable. I'm Lima.
Hello, Lima, and a very warm hello to all our fantastic listeners. It's wonderful to be here with you all today.
So good to have you here, James. We're back, and it's a brand new year.
Yes, indeed. Happy New Year, Lima, and a very happy New Year to everyone tuning in.
Happy New Year. I really love the start of a new year. It feels like a fresh page.
Absolutely, fresh and full of potential. A clean slate. So, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling quite energized and motivated. I've got lots of plans. And you?
I'm doing well, feeling happy. But I have to admit, I'm also a bit worn out. The holiday season was quite hectic.
I can relate. So much food and so many late nights.
Exactly. Too much of both. But now it's time to settle back into a rhythm.
Precisely. And that's actually our focus for today. We're chatting about establishing a daily routine for the new year.
Oh, I really need this topic. My routine could use some help. It's all over the place right now.
Don't worry, James. We'll figure it out together. We'll cover morning routines, workday habits, and evening rituals.
That sounds ideal. I'm all ears and ready to learn.
Me too. But James, before we dive in, we have a quick request for our audience.
Yes, we do. If you're enjoying our podcast, please hit the like button. It really supports us. And don't forget to subscribe to the Smart English Official channel so you never miss a new episode. Feel free to share this with friends who might also benefit from a routine refresh.
Definitely. All right, James, let's begin with the morning.
The morning, my greatest challenge each day,
Oh dear, why is that?
because my bed is so cozy and the world outside is chilly. The temptation to sleep in is strong.
I know that feeling well, but a successful morning really begins the night before.
The night before? How so?
I mean, getting sufficient sleep is key. But my first morning tip is actually about your phone.
My phone? But it's my trusted alarm clock.
It is. But what's the first thing you do when that alarm goes off?
I silence the alarm and then I usually check notifications. I scroll through news headlines, peek at social media.
James, that's a habit we should rethink.
Really? But doesn't everyone do that?
That's part of the issue. Grabbing your phone first thing floods your mind with other people's agendas and often stress. It's not a calm way to start.
You know, that's true. Sometimes I see something upsetting and it sets a negative tone.
Exactly. So, my first tip for a new routine is this. Try not to look at your phone for the first 30 minutes after you wake up.
A full 30 minutes? That sounds like a serious challenge.
It can be, but it's so worthwhile. Instead, you could wake up, do a gentle stretch, and maybe open the curtains.
Open the curtains, look outside. That does sound peaceful.
It's very grounding. It allows your mind to wake up naturally. So, no phone for 30 minutes. What's the next tip? Next is about hydration, drinking water.
Hydration? Like taking a shower?
A shower is great too, but I meant actually drinking a glass of water.
Oh, right. I usually go straight for coffee. I love my morning coffee.
I do too. But after a long night's sleep, your body is dehydrated. It needs water first.
I never really consider that. My body is asking for water, not coffee.
Exactly. So try drinking a large glass of water before your coffee.
Room temperature or cold?
Personally, I prefer warm water with a slice of lemon. It's gentle on your system.
That's a nice touch. All right. Water first, then coffee. I can commit to that.
Excellent. Now you're awake and hydrated. What about breakfast?
Honestly, I often just grab a quick piece of toast or sometimes skip it entirely.
Oh, James, breakfast is crucial fuel. You wouldn't start a car without gas, right?
True.
Food is your body's fuel. Try to have something nutritious like eggs, some fruit, or oatmeal. Oatmeal is a good one. It's hearty and warm. Yes, and it provides sustained energy. It can help prevent that mid-morning energy crash.
That's a great point. I often hit a wall around 10 or 11 a.m.
A better breakfast can help with that. So, to recap, delay the phone, hydrate well, eat a proper breakfast. Your morning is already transforming.
It really is. Now, let's talk about the workday itself.
Yes, January always brings a lot of tasks. It can feel overwhelming.
It really does. I need a strategy.
Do you use a to-do list?
I try, but I jot things on random sticky notes and then lose them.
Let's simplify. Get one dedicated notebook. Just one.
One notebook. I can do that.
Every morning, write down just 3 key tasks for the day. Only 3.
Just 3? But my list is usually much longer.
I know. A long list can feel paralyzing. It creates stress before you even begin.
It does. I look at it and feel anxious.
So identify the 3 most critical items, the must-dos.
The must-do list. I like the simplicity.
And here's a key part. Tackle the most challenging task first.
The hardest one first? Why? I prefer starting with something easy.
We all do, but your willpower and focus are highest in the morning. Use that peak time for the tough stuff.
That makes sense. My concentration definitely dips in the afternoon.
Exactly. Get the difficult task done early. The rest of your day will feel easier and more productive.
That's clever. Finishing a tough job does give a sense of accomplishment.
It feels fantastic and builds momentum. Now, James, if you're sitting at a desk all day, do you ever get stiff or sore?
All the time. My back and shoulders often ache.
Sitting for long periods is tough on the body. My next tip is simple. Move.
Move? Like take a dance break?
If you want to. But I mean, set a reminder to stand up. Every hour, stand and move for about 5 minutes. Walk to get water, stretch your legs, roll your shoulders.
Just 5 minutes each hour?
Yes. It gets your circulation going and gives your mind a quick reset.
I can manage that. I'll link it to getting more water.
Perfect. You're combining 2 healthy habits. Hydration and movement.
I'm on my way to a healthier year already.
You certainly are. Now, let's discuss the evening. Winding down the day.
Evenings are for unwinding, right?
Yes, but it's a common time for mistakes. Many people carry work stress home or can't seem to switch off.
Guilty as charged. I often check work emails in the evening.
Let's change that. The evening is your time to recharge. You need to mentally disconnect from work mode. Disconnect. Signal to my brain that work is done. Yes. A simple but effective trick is to change out of your work clothes into something more comfortable. It's a physical cue that the workday has ended.
I love that idea. Comfort is key for relaxing.
And here's a particularly powerful tip for the new year. Practice gratitude.
Gratitude? As in, appreciating things?
Yes, actively focusing on thankfulness. It's simpler than it sounds.
Who or what am I thanking? How do I practice it?
Just before bed, think of one good thing from your day. Just one small positive moment.
Okay.
It could be that your coffee was perfect, the weather was nice, you shared a laugh with a colleague, or maybe I finally crossed that difficult task off my list. Perfect example. You can write it in a journal or simply reflect on it mentally.
Why is this so beneficial?
It ends your day on a positive note. Instead of falling asleep worrying, you're focusing on something good. This can improve your sleep quality.
I need better sleep. It's so important.
It's foundational. Speaking of which, try to be consistent with your bedtime, especially on weeknights.
Even on weekends,
Being flexible on weekends is fine, but a regular weekday schedule trains your body's internal clock.
so if I aim for 11 p.m., my body will naturally start getting sleepy around then.
Exactly. Your body loves routine.
Lima, these tips are brilliant. They're manageable but seem life-changing.
They really can be. The goal isn't to overhaul everything overnight, but to take small, consistent steps.
Small steps. I like that philosophy. Shall we do a quick review?
Sure, let's recap. James, what's the first morning rule?
Resist the phone. No screens for the first 30 minutes.
Great. And what's the first thing to consume?
A big glass of water, maybe with lemon.
Correct. For the workday, what's the list strategy?
Write down only 3 must-do tasks and conquer the hardest one first thing.
Excellent. And for physical well-being during the day?
Move regularly. Stand up and stretch for a few minutes every hour.
Perfect. Finally, the evening routine involves
Changing gears, disconnecting, and practicing gratitude by recalling one good thing from the day. Then aiming for a consistent bedtime.
You've got it. That's the blueprint for a balanced, productive day. Even talking about it feels calming.
It does. A solid routine provides structure and reduces anxiety about the day.
It truly does. I'm going to implement this starting tomorrow. Actually, I'll start the gratitude practice tonight.
That's wonderful, Lima. I believe our listeners can build these habits too.
Absolutely, everyone. You can do this. New year, new habits.
I love that. New year, new habits. Lima, I have a question for our audience.
What's that?
I'd love to hear about their goals. So everyone listening, please leave a comment below telling us what's one small habit you'd like to introduce or change in your daily routine this year.
That's a fantastic question. Maybe you want to wake up 15 minutes earlier, read before bed, or simply drink more water. We'd love to hear your thoughts. It inspires our future content too.
Yes, please share. And remember, if you enjoyed our conversation, please subscribe to the Smart English official channel.
Subscribe and share this episode with anyone who might find it helpful. Let's make it a fantastic year together.
Thank you all so much for joining us today. It was a real pleasure, Lima.
Thank you, James. Wishing you all a wonderful day and the best of luck with your new routines.
Thank you. Until next time, everyone, take care.
Goodbye, everyone. See you soon.